Right.
As we have seen, a computer architecture also can be converted or upgraded to a basic robotics architecture. Right now, just come to this particular diagram, we are going to draw the basic robotics architecture. The basic components, one we have here, sensors. The next basic component we have here, microcontroller. The next, one of the most important component is your output, that is, you can say, your motors. So right now, by including these three components, we are going to draw the basic architecture of a robot. We can say sensors, then we can say here your microcontroller, then we can say here your motors. Pretty simple. The sensor is connected to the microcontroller and the microcontroller is connected to the motors. So you can see the sensor is connected to the microcontroller and the microcontroller connected. This microcontroller is a combination of your CPU plus memory plus I/O ports and many more. These are sensors. Sensors are connected to the micro. So if you look at me now as a system, then you can look at my right hand as my sensors. Sensors are connected to my body. This is the microcontroller, and the output is connected to motor. So my input from my sensor will come to my body, and I am a microcontroller, so I will receive the input through my input port, and I will process the data and send it to the output through this output port. So you can say I have an input port, I have an output port, I have an input, I have an output. Pretty simple. So you can plug in your sensor to the microcontroller's input ports, and you can plug in your outputs to the output port of your microcontroller. So making robots is going to be very, very easy now. You just need to do one thing. You need to get your output motors ready. You need to get ready with your sensors, and right now you bring your sensors and plug in to the input port of your microcontroller, and you also need to plug in your outputs to the output port of microcontroller.